Okay, bumabalik kayo. Where are you from nga, Hello World?
Davao City po.
Meron bang bago kayo papakita sa amin?
Surprise po.
Oh, good luck, Hello World.
Good luck.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are tonight's entertainment. I only have one question. Where is Hello World?
Patayo na naman balahibo ko.
Change your music.
Kakaiba. Ang pinakita na naman ng Hello World.